okay, you can log into Hive Micro in the Google search engine, and then as you can see, it is searching right now. And also you can, for me, I can log in, but for you, you can sign up. You know, it is written, Hive Micro allows talented, hardworking people to make extra. So this is the site that you can sign up and then start doing your work online and earn some money online. So let me show you how this thing is going to happen and how you are going to sign up as easy as possible. So this is now the site that you can be doing your own jobs here, and then you can sign up with your names. Here we have full names, email address, password, and then you can choose the country in which you are. Here I'm in Afghanistan, so I'm signing up for this Hive Micro jobs here. And we can also say where you have had this Hive Micro. For me, I have had it from YouTube, so I'm going to sign here YouTube. Okay, as you can see, the sign up takes some few seconds, but I hope everything will be okay. Just take a little and look around. Just take a while and you will see how we are signing up. So you can also sign up there. You agree to Hive Micro terms, and you must be above 18 years old. Okay, this is the dashboard now. I've logged into my account. As you can see up here is Johnson, and I've been doing for a while some jobs here. You might wonder, why is it that my cash, my dollars are 0.0? I withdrew it. So it depends on how much work you are putting in this Hive Micro. So that the more work you put, the more money you earn. But the less work you do, the less money you earn. But what I can encourage you is that keep it up. Hammer until you get something from these Hive Micro jobs here. I know many of people like to start, then they quit. But if you hammer, you can get money. Okay, this is the jobs now, you see. We have $40 here, we have $15 here. You can take a test and take a qualification. If you qualify, then you will do the job. Now let's look at it, how it is rolling off. Let's see. Now you see, update it. Where now if you start a test to see that you can qualify for the job that Hive Micro will be offering to you, so you have to take the test. And I know most of tests are to transcribe. Transcribing is also the best way of earning money online. So if you can transcribe well, this is the best place where you can make money online on this Hive Micro. So remember also to subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification, and also like the video, because this is the place where I'm going to show you and give you many more ways of earning money online. Okay, here we've learned this. This is a warning. This is the place where you can continue working, so you click there next. Okay, another place where you can earn money, here you go to Google and then type in MindSumo. The first page, you will find this page, and this is a place where you can get money online working. You can become a contributor. Many companies pay this company for your solution that you always offer. So this MindSumo is the best place where you can exercise, you can learn from it, and also you can give out your solution to these companies. You say I'm a problem solver, and then you click on the problem solver, then you log into your account. You see, I have my account here. So these are the jobs opportunities. 7 days remaining, $800. We have also 7 days remaining, $800. So you pick the type of job that you want to do it, then you do it, then you upload then you upload your solution to this MindSumo. If you are a beginner, you cannot copy and paste, but I'm going to show you the easiest way in which you can find answers to this MindSumo. So you click there that I have an idea, then you solve this question that MindSumo have asked. You try to give out an idea. So what you do here is you scroll down to the question. Okay, so you highlight the question, then you copy it, then you go to Google and then you paste it to Google to find some answers. So you see, I'm pasting it to find the solution for the question that has been asked. Now, after you have pasted it to Google, those blocks that will come first and second, you click on them, then you try to open out into new tab so that you can find solution, and then highlight those solutions. Then after you have opened into new tab, you highlight the answers, then you copy and then you paste, highlight them and then paste with the MindSumo submission. Okay, you highlight the question, then go to the Google website, then you open the Google, then you paste that question to the Google. Now the first blocks and the second, you open them into the new tab, then you highlight the answers, and then you edit them, then you paste them into the MindSumo solution, then you submit. After submitting, wait for your money to come. So if you want to make money with this MindSumo, make sure that you make more submissions. You can take 4 tasks a day, which is just simple. Let's do some maths. If a task costs $800 and you have done maybe 4 times 800, that is 32,000. Now, assuming that you have received a 50% or 25% of 800 times 4, you're going to get something more than $100. So if you work hard, that is how you will be earning money online.